Welcome back to Clarkstar Culinary. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious barbecue beef ribs. We're going to start with seasoning, which is very simple. Salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and red chili flakes. Drizzle on some light olive oil and massage the seasonings into the ribs. Flip the ribs over and repeat the process. Place the ribs in a roasting pan. Add 2 to 3 cups of water, enough to cover the bottom of the pan. Cover with aluminum foil and place in the oven for 3 hours on 450 degrees. After 3 hours, remove the beef ribs from the oven. Drain off the fat and stock. Apply a thick coat of barbecue sauce to the front and back of the ribs as you place them back into the roaster. I'm using a sauce that I made, so feel free to use your favorite barbecue sauce here. I will be sharing my barbecue sauce recipe with all of you. Once that video has been posted, I will put the link to it in the description box below. So we have our ribs coated with the barbecue sauce. From here, you have 2 options. You can cover them back up with the aluminum foil and put them back in the oven for 45 minutes, and then you'll be done, ready to eat. Or let's go light up the grill. I've been soaking some hickory wood chips all day for this very moment. On one side of my grill, I have my charcoal and wood chips. On the opposite side, I'm going to place the ribs. I stack them on top of each other so that will keep them nice and juicy. I also put a pan of water on the charcoal side for some added moisture. We're going to leave the ribs in the grill for 20 minutes. The time needed is very dependent upon the temperature. My temperature right now is at 400 degrees, so you may need to give them more or less time. After 20 minutes, you'll want to go and rotate the ribs. Put the ones that were on the bottom on top, and the ones that were closer to the coals, you want to move them away from the coals. And now give them 20 more minutes. Now we have our barbecue beef ribs, or to be more accurate, our hickory smoked, charcoal grilled barbecue beef ribs. Get a seat and eat. You have been watching Clarkstar Culinary. I just wanted to take the time and personally thank all of my subscribers, old and new. Thank you all so much for your continued support. It really means a lot. Each and every one of you are appreciated. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified as soon as a new video has been posted. Thank you again, and I'll be back soon. Bye-bye.